Okay, we are going to practice matching first sounds in words. Are you ready? You're gonna start. Now, I'm going to give you one word, and then you're going to find the word that has the same first sound. As soon as I say the words, you're going to raise a college bound hand just like this. Show me a college bound hand. Nice job. Back in the star. Check me. As soon as I call on you, you're going to go back in the star. You ready? Show me a college bound hand. David. Nice. All right, you ready to get started? The first word is house. What word starts with the same sound as house? Helicopter, zebra.
Helicopter.
Remember. David.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Let's do our song. You ready? House and helicopter will start with
Ha.
Say it.
Ha.
Say it. Say it. Yes, let's try it again. House and helicopter will start with nice job. Let's try another one. The word is lion. What word starts with the same sound as lion? Goat, lizard. Oh. Lion, goat, or lizard? College bound hand. Yes, David.
Goat.
Lion. Do you want me to read the words again? Okay. The word is lion. What word starts with the same sound as lion?
This one.
Goat or lizard? College round hand. Yes, David.
Lizard.
All right, let's do our song. Lion and lizard will start with oh. Nice job, my friend. We have two more.
I'll do that.
Oh, you're in star. Your word is popsicle. What word starts with the same sound as popsicle? Parrot or fan?
Popsicle or bird.
Do you need me to read the words again? You're in star. The word is popsicle. What word starts with the same sound as popsicle? Parrot or fan? Straight. Yes, David.
Popsicle and
Do you need me to read them again? Back in star. The word is popsicle. What word starts with the same sound as popsicle? Parrot or fan? Yes, David.
parrot.
Parrot. Let's do our song. Popsicle and parrot both start with, what was the sound? Yes, parrot and popsicle. Last one. Are you ready? The word is bug. What word starts with the same sound as bug? Window, bed. Yes, David.
Bug and bed.
Do the sound all by yourself.
Bug and bed. Bed. Start with bug.
What was the sound?
Bug.
B. Nice job. High five. We are done.